Aerospace is Oklahoma's most vital and vibrant industry. It brings $60 million in sales tax revenue to our state, and it gives 143,000 Oklahomans high-paying jobs. This week, aerospace industry leaders, government officials, and non-aerospace companies looking to do business in this state have gathered for the four-day summit and expo being held in Tulsa. Vice President of Maintenance and Engineering for American Airlines, Bob Redding, says this year's event was especially important in our current economy.
It would be so easy to say, oh, we can't afford it, we got to pull back, we can't send anybody. And that is the wrong thing to do when you're in a time of difficulty or crisis. What you need to do is you need to innovate, step out, step forward, and look to the future. And that's, I think, number one, what this conference does. And number two, that's what American Airlines has done for the past 80 years.
Redding was today's keynote speaker. He provided the audience an industry outlook in how the current financial crisis is and will affect Oklahoma's aerospace industry. He says the industry must keep moving forward.
Obviously, throughout our 80-year history, we've had lots of crises and lots of difficulties. And because we innovated, that's what allowed us to thrive and survive and succeed for the long term. And we will innovate through this current difficulty as well and come out thriving as a company.
Mary Smith is the executive director of the Oklahoma Aerospace Alliance. They host the annual event, and up until this year, it's always been held in the Oklahoma City area.
This year, the planning committee determined that it was time to start reflecting the state's industry as it is. It's not just about Tinker and military in Oklahoma City. It's about commercial, it's about general aviation, it's about business aviation, and the state has a piece of all those sectors.
In fact, Oklahoma's Lieutenant Governor Jerry Askins says this industry is vital for Oklahoma's economy and must be maintained as a whole. Askins has been involved in the summit for several years. She says it's important to develop a workforce that allows aerospace jobs to continue to be filled in Oklahoma.
The jobs that are available here are jobs that should help keep our young people, our future generation in our state, and allow them to know that they can have quality jobs in Oklahoma and not have to leave the state to find those jobs.
In Tulsa, Angela Rosecrans, the Oklahoma News Report.